Hey you? Yeah, you watching this right now. What if I told you there's a new AI tool called ChatGPT, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about making money online? Not tomorrow, not next week, now. ChatGPT isn't just another chatbot. It's your new digital partner in crime, loaded with real-time stock insights, social media trend scans, crypto heat maps, and even viral product forecasts. This isn't theory. This is cash on command, and I'm about to show you exactly how to use it. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up, opening your ChatGPT dashboard, and it shows you that Tesla stock has an 82% social buzz increase overnight. What does that mean? People are talking. Influencers are hinting. News is breaking. That's your signal. You jump in early. You ride the wave. You cash out while everyone else is still asking what happened. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT's crypto radar? Insane. It highlights a sudden wallet movement, millions of dollars flowing into a small altcoin. You cross-check with trending X Twitter topics. Boom, ChatGPT confirms the pattern. You buy. Days later, that coin 3x'd. Who gave you the edge? That's right, ChatGPT. Now here's where it gets even crazier. There's a tool inside called Viral Market Pulse. It scans Amazon, TikTok, Etsy, and eBay to detect products exploding in popularity. Let's say it flags a fitness gadget with a 9,000% surge in weekly interest. You don't sell the product. You use ChatGPT to write a viral script, generate a product review video using AI, and schedule it for upload. ChatGPT even A/B tests thumbnails for you. Next thing you know, your video ranks on YouTube. Affiliate sales pour in. You never touched inventory, never filmed a thing. Then there's Micro Trend Mapper, my favorite. It listens to Reddit, Discord, Telegram, and even comments on YouTube Shorts. One night, it caught chatter about a sleep sound AI app going viral. Next morning, I used ChatGPT to build a quick top 5 AI apps you need video. 48 hours later, 170K views. Sponsorship offers came in, all because I listened when ChatGPT whispered, even freelancers are cashing in. Let's say you're a writer. ChatGPT gives you the top SEO terms for the day, the structure for viral Medium posts, and the formatting of top-performing newsletters. You write smarter, you publish faster. You earn on Substack, Medium, and even Gumroad because your content rides the wave of relevance. Dropshippers don't think you're left out. ChatGPT links with real-time product reviews and ad metrics. It can predict which Facebook ad creatives are converting before they saturate. You get in early, test fast, scale with confidence. And when you need creatives, ChatGPT builds ad copy, hooks, and visuals, all optimized for scroll-stopping impact. And it's not just money. ChatGPT now includes Sentiment Flow, an emotional AI scanner that analyzes how people feel across markets, niches, and trends. This is gold. Before a product goes viral, there's always emotional friction, desire, frustration, curiosity. ChatGPT shows you that spark. Here's the play. You see a wave coming. ChatGPT shows you the shape. You position early. You write it smart. You cash out smooth. Let's break down some real examples. Last month, ChatGPT highlighted an unusual spike in the phrase budget-friendly AI course on TikTok. I used its script generator, created a faceless short using CapCut, uploaded it, and boom, 320K views. Affiliate links, loaded. Sales, beautiful. Another case, Stock GPT plugin showed a tech stock with high insider trading buys and low public chatter. Bought in. News hit 2 days later. It surged. I sold. Profited. And it wasn't luck. It was ChatGPT. You can even set alerts. Say you're into niche trends like underwater drones. ChatGPT's Trend Hunter watches for breakout mentions. One Reddit post trends. Boom, you're notified. You move. You dominate that niche before it's even hot. But here's the warning. This isn't magic. You still have to execute. But the difference now, you're not guessing anymore. You're reacting with data, with insight, with edge. That's what ChatGPT is. Not just a tool, a trend compass, a timing sniper, a profit enhancer. And the best part, it keeps learning. Every search, every prompt, every market shift, it adapts. So whether you're an investor, a content creator, a product hunter, or just a hustler looking to find the next wave, ChatGPT isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Try it today. plug in, ask the right questions, and let the money follow. Because in 2025, the smartest players won't be the ones who work the hardest. They'll be the ones who listen best. To data, to emotion, to signals, to ChatGPT. Let's get to work.